In this video, we're going to permanently install the wire for my quad lock iPhone holder. Now I'm running the wire through that hole, underneath, and into where the steering column comes out with the other wires. The hole is just big enough for this adapter. So what I got to do is I got to put the O-ring back on it, which is this piece. Slide that back on the plug. And there we go. I didn't want to damage that O-ring. Now we're just going to run some zip ties. Then we just zip tie it down here so it's out of the way and not hitting anything. But you want to leave enough slack so when you turn the steering, it won't bind up. I just checked my slack to make sure it's good enough. That should be fine. Left enough slack in there so I can adjust it freely without having to worry about it. Zip tie it up inside here to the harness, and we zip tie it right here. The only thing I got left to do is inside here where the hole is, I will be siliconing that, and that should make it a watertight seal. Then you just plug it into your factory adapter, power adapter, and that's it. Now we can close this, so when you turn the bike on, you now have power to the phone. And there we go. Now I know some of you are going to say this is kind of a hack way to do it, but it's the simplest way to do it without having to buy anything extra. And like I said in my other video, I don't think this is a good place for a plug, because when it rains, water's going to get in there and it's probably going to destroy the plug. Maybe have a short or something like that. At least this way it's waterproof, it's inside, and that's that. You'd think they'd have a plug somewhere on this bike for accessories besides inside there in that little compartment, but they don't. Let me know if this is helpful. I'm sure I'm going to get some comments saying that this is the hack way to do it, but it's my bike. I'll do what I want. Take care, God bless. Catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.